Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So now you see India has started investing its their own country app. Okay, so like you see here, the Zoho, a big name in the tech firm from the India, they have recently created a WhatsApp alternative that is Arattai. You see here, Arattai, and if you open this, you see here it's a chat app and calling app. So Arattai is easy to use instant messaging app, but yeah, it is very easy to explain these kind of words. The thing is how the user interact and how they feel. Okay, so this is available now on the Play Store. You can download this one and you can try at your end, and in a very few hours after its release, we see here the downloads around 19,000. So I'm also going to try here in this video and see how it look like. Okay, so let's get started. So now I just open here my Play Store and I can type here a double Arattai. Okay, so the first link you'll find here, and this is Eloise one. We'll have to install. Yeah, so it is installed now, and the size you see here, the 56.4 MB. So this size is not that much, so it's very common for the social media platform. So welcome to Arattai. So you see here the welcome message, then the multi-device as a cloud application. Arattai synchronizes your data across devices. You can chat and access your data from the multiple devices. So these are this look the same feature the whatever the WhatsApp provide. So meet, current, instant, scheduling, meeting, everything you will find here. Portray your emotions with stickers, emoji, of course, share interest. So these are the things they have highlighted here. Now I'm going to add my number here. Yes, this is my number, and the verification process is in progress here. Now I verify. I will add my name here, and the pic I will also be choosing from my device. Yeah, the first one. Okay, so yeah, so I think it looks I am good to go from here. Sync device, skip for now. Allow, it will ask you for the notifications. Yeah, so here I don't have anything here, so first thing I will have to ask one of my friend, so that here in the friend list like WhatsApp it is starting appearing and we can start chatting here. But here you see here you can add the story like this. So how the story will be added? So the similar way I can add here on the plus icon. I can go here and I can pick for any picture. Yes, so let's say this one itself. So filling something, so you can put here. I am putting my on here. So this is, you see here the story started appearing, and all your connection will start interacting with your, and you see here the almost all the feature whatever we have seen in the WhatsApp. So it's very challenging for the WhatsApp and other messaging chat tool, because India has represented its own. Now you see here the link to the device feature also coming. Okay, so now I am going to link to see here how it work. Okay, So let's say so for this one I have to download, I guess, on the window itself. So on window itself I can download, and yeah, so I'm also trying here on the window to try installing. So on the window side it gives 107 MB, that means the 107 MB. You'll have to download this and install this one, and you can do whatever you can do here on the mobile devices, you can do here on the web, like WhatsApp you do basically. I think the more feature will be coming soon on it. Okay, so let me quickly jump here on the installation part on my the laptop, that is the larger device here. The other feature you see here, from the mobile side you can meet here, you can join meeting, you can schedule a meeting here, the chat section, all your friend list will appear as usual. You can also make a call here, and well, so it is not going to take automatic number here. Once you add, I guess, then it will start appearing. So this may be something they will be improving in the coming feature. So now I have installed on my system, so I'm going to link the device here. Okay, so it installed here. Now I'm going to link this one, and it's done successfully. And the same thing I can see here on the desktop itself. So I will keep trying this one with all the feature. Once I start adding some contact here, then I can interact with. But yeah, the on the very first impression the UI looks awesome. So I think it's more intuitive than the whatever we have in the WhatsApp. And well, but the thing is, not we also see here it has given here you can change the mode, like dark mode, light mode, mobile devices app. So lots of things here, and they will keep improving in the coming days. And of course it is not that much of top task to create such app for a technical person or the company who are in the tech for years. But the thing is how government is proposing this to the public or the people of India will have to see. Okay, so we'll have to start prioritizing this app, because it's our own nation. So we'll have to make sure we are here and we are promoting, because there are lots of security challenges you see here on the WhatsApp, lots of data leakage. And even if there is no data leakage, our data, our own data, own chat history and everything goes to the US server. Okay, because it's a US and they can of course misuse. But in so to avoid this kind of issue, I think we should start prioritizing using our own nation's app like this. Okay, so that's it from this video. You'll see in the next coming video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.